Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00950 error in Oracle database 12c. So now I log in as a C #s common user which I already created in SQL Plus editor. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. So what I am doing, I am trying to drop one table. So drop tables employees. So this query throwing error ORA-00950 invalid drop option, which means that after drop statement, that after drop keyword, invalid option is specified. So we need to specify the correct option after the drop command. See, once again I am replicating the issue. See, I am trying to drop the row which also throws the same error. Okay. So this is the correct syntax for drop table. So drop table employees. Okay, drop row C ## my role one. Now you can see role is getting dropped. So specify the correct drop option. That is the fix for this ORA-00950 issue.